In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a card on a Trello board. Whether you're clearing up space, simplifying your workflow, or just tidying up, removing unnecessary cards can be a great way to keep your Trello board efficient and organized. Let's start by going to Trello.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once the page loads, look for the login button located in the upper right corner of the screen and click on it. If you've never used Trello before, you might need to sign up first. For returning users, you can log in using several convenient options. You could choose Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack for a quick login process, or you can enter your email address and password if that's your preferred method. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your board where all your cards reside. The next step is identifying the card you want to delete. Locate it on your board and click on the card to open its details. This will open a detailed view, providing you all the information and possible actions related to that specific card. It's a helpful overview if you want to double check and ensure it's the correct card you wish to remove. Now let's move on to archiving the card, which is an important step in Trello before you can delete it entirely. Look to the right hand sidebar inside the card details and you'll see an option labelled Archive. Click on Archive, and what happens is Trello removes the card from your active board but keeps it stored away safely. So if you suddenly change your mind, you can always unarchive it later. With the card archived, you're now ready for the final steps of deletion. In the same sidebar where you archived the card, a delete option will now become visible. Clicking on delete will prompt Trello to take further action, but before anything is permanently removed, you'll notice a confirmation pop-up appears. Trello does this to ensure that deletions aren't done accidentally, as this action cannot be undone. So if you're absolutely certain that this card is no longer of use to you, go ahead and click delete in the pop-up to finalize the process, and there you have it, your card is now permanently deleted from your Trello board. This process is useful to know for managing your boards effectively, keeping them clutter-free and ensuring they remain an organized reflection of your tasks or projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide on deleting a Trello card helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on getting the most out of your digital tools.